Automatic Parking Assist can automatically search for available parking spaces on both sides of the vehicle, including inclined, vertical, and parallel parking spaces. When the vehicle is driving under 25 km per hour, you can enable Automatic Parking Assist in two ways: by pressing the shortcut key or entering the application interface of the center display. Tap Automatic Parking Assist. After the function is enabled, the vehicle will automatically find available parking spaces and recommend the optimal parking space. You can also choose a preferred parking space. After tapping OK, release the steering wheel and the brake pedal to start automatic parking. During the automatic parking operation, please keep a close eye on the vehicle's surroundings and prepare to stop parking at any time. After the automatic parking is finished, a prompt saying "Parking completed" will appear. There are some limitations of Automatic Parking Assist. The vehicle may not recognize some special objects, such as bollard, streetlights, fire hydrants, flower beds, or column edges. As a driver, you should abide by local laws and regulations and take full responsibility for safe parking.